Hey everybody, Andrew with Suds to Success podcast. In this quick tip video, we got some products sent to us from DIY Detail. The new gold standard compound. We also got a rotary cutting pad. I have an old purple DA cutting pad and the gold standard pad. We have a Ford Ranger that's coming in to get coated, but there is tons of swirls, damage. I thought this was a perfect vehicle to try this compound out on. So, super easy, put 3 to 4 drops to a clean pad. We used a pad washer for this. To wipe it off, we're gonna use a wet microfiber towel. Let's just kind of start it off here. Just open this up. Small drops. That was not a small drop. So we're gonna do 3. I haven't used a squirt bottle like this in a very long time. I'm used to the sprays. And so when you look, whatever the dealership did to this front part, tons of damage here. Put it over my shoulder. I'm gonna dab this on a little bit. Speed 3, so I'm not going super fast. And what I'm doing is I'm just kind of mixing this around, so I don't want it flinging all over the place. What I always like to do when polishing is I like to do the least aggressive method first. So we just did a foam pad. Is he gonna get this out? Don't know. But I'd rather go with the foam pad and a compound than, let's say, go right to the wool. What you're gonna do now is I'm gonna clean this pad real quick. I'm gonna go over the gold standard polish just to finish it up, and then we'll go from there. What I love about systems that are meant to be used with each other is you do not have to wipe off the compound when you use the polish with this stuff. You literally just go right on top of it. So it's gonna save you a lot of time. This is my favorite. Put on your polish for a little bit, give it a nice spray. Same deal, put it right on top of where you did the compound. While you're doing the polishing, you just wanna make sure there's no haze, no little micro marring marks, and then we're just gonna go to town. I like to do it on speed 3. A few overlapping passes. I just wanna really see how good this product finishes up and if we can get these ridiculous marks out. Because if we can't, it's not, like, these are pretty bad. You wouldn't be able to get them out normally. So I want to see kind of to look a lot better after we do this compounding step. All right, the moment of truth. Get your damp, rinseless towel. Put the rinseless on. Wipe it off. Just gotta do some cleaning up steps, but you can see. Just gonna restore that a little bit more with some more polish, but you can see all those deep marks that were there are gone. So what I would do in this case, go over it with the gold standard again, just a few little cutting marks just from using the compound, and then we'll go over it, get it all cleaned up, get this paint restored, but the main thing was it got those deep scratches out, which is the whole point of the compound. Got the deep scratches out. We're gonna go over this probably one more time, really restore that paint. We'll show you how that looks. And then, yeah, we can kind of go into what we did. All right, so we went over it again one more time, got the paint all nice and finished up, so there's no more of that hologramming. Hologramming can happen, or those buffer trills can happen if it's just an aggressive compound, which you needed to get those, I don't know, the Brillo pad or whatever they use on that out. So we got it all finished up, ready to roll. What this product is fantastic for, super quick, super efficient, don't have to wipe it off between the steps. It's really good, especially on this color. This is a really pain in the butt color. Ford Black, especially in the trucks, is not the easiest to get rid of micro marring in, and it does it no problem. If you guys have any questions about polishing or how to apply the compound, obviously reach out. We've been using DIY detail products for a while. We like using them in our businesses, and we can answer any question. Pretty much use them all, and you're gonna see them on the channel in the next little bit. Have a great day.